In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Venmo to PayPal. This straightforward process involves a few simple steps, and by the end, you'll have your funds moved seamlessly. Let's get started. First, we need to link the same bank account to both your Venmo and PayPal accounts. Setting this up ensures the money can move smoothly between the platforms. Let's begin with your Venmo app. Open the Venmo app on your device and look for the menu icon represented by three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on that to open the menu. From there, select Payment Methods. Once you're on the Payment Methods screen, choose Add a Bank or Card and then select Bank. At this point, you'll need to enter your bank details. You can do this manually or use Plaid, a service that allows you to log into your bank securely without entering all your details manually. Now let's move on to linking the same bank account with PayPal. Open up the PayPal app or visit PayPal's website. You'll want to navigate to the Wallet section. Once you're there, click on Link a Bank and input the same bank account information you just used with Venmo. This step is crucial because it sets up the pathway for your funds to transfer seamlessly from Venmo through your bank and into your PayPal account. With both accounts linked to the same bank, we can move on to our next step, transferring money from Venmo to your bank account. Go back to your Venmo app and head to the menu once again. Tap on Manage Balance or directly tap on your balance if it's visible. Select Transfer to Bank to begin moving funds out of Venmo. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. You will have two options here: Instant Transfer, which typically comes with a fee of about 1.75% and will usually arrive within minutes, or a Standard Transfer that may take 1 to 3 business days and is free of charge. If you're not in a rush, the Standard Transfer can save you some money on fees. Once you've made your selection, confirm and complete the transfer. Finally, let's transfer your money from the bank to PayPal. Open the PayPal app or log into your account on the website, then go to your wallet. Select Add Money or Transfer Money, then choose Add Funds from your bank. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, select the bank account you just linked, and confirm the transfer. This step typically takes 3 to 5 business days for the funds to appear in your PayPal account. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to transfer money from Venmo to PayPal. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.